Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to add audio or music into your Procreate animation. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and after that you will be able to solve your problem and do whatever you want to do. And here is, as you can see, like this is the Procreate, and here is the question asked by the people, like what's your workaround for adding audio to animations in Procreate. Like a lot of people are asking this question, and like as you can see, like there is no official option to add audio file into the Procreate animation. However, here are some solutions that you can try and hopefully your issue will be solved. As you can see, like one person just gave a solution that I add audio in Splice, and here is the like second option. Unfortunately, still no audio options, but these are some janky workarounds which you can try, and after that hopefully you will be able to work as well. Like play audio on a separate device at the same time of playing the video. Not great for dialogue because it's not the exact. Like you can just try this one, like playing audio on the other device and just working on the Procreate animation, and let's try if it works for you or not. And here is the like second one: regularly export the animation during the sketch phase and view it in an editing timeline with the audio to check. As you can see, like just make sure to export the animation and add it in any kind of editing software, a timeline where you can just add audio as well. Or if it's for dialogue, film, or a video, for myself mouthing the words, and import the videos as frames, so at least I can see the correct visuals even if I can't hear it. So these are some methods of how you can add audio or work on like Procreate animations without being like, there is no direct option for adding the audio, but these are some methods which you can try and hopefully you will be able to work and solve your problem. So that is a simple and easy easy solution of how you can do it.